Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct the user how to run, view, and download reports. DecisionLender uses asynchronous report generation to run and schedule reports by means of a user-based queue. This feature allows users to apply filter conditions before running reports, run reports without date range limitations, run high-volume reports without any interruptions, run more than one report at a time, run a report job, and complete other tasks within DL4 without having to wait until the job is completed. Data is not lost, and the system will alert you when the report is ready for viewing. This feature also lets the user view the report status and retrieve reports scheduled within the last 3 days in the user's queue. How to run and view a report. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. From the sidebar menu, click on the Reports tab. The Reports page will display. Note, you must have the authority to access reports in order to view this page. Please contact your administrator regarding your individual permissions. The Reports page is a user-based queue for running reports. Under My Reports history, users will only see reports that they scheduled within the last 3 days. Note, users with audit access can see all reports scheduled. However, they cannot see the details unless they were the user that scheduled the report. The Reports page will auto-refresh every 30 seconds. If you click Refresh, the auto-refresh resets back to 30 seconds. The label will display the report name, component, and date range used to run the report. The date submitted is a timestamp indicating when the user clicked Run Report. The date completed displays a timestamp of when the report job was completed. The status displays one of 5 report job statuses: scheduled, queued, running, completed, or failed. In case of failure, you will see the reason in the comment section. The Action column allows you to download the report in the file format you choose from the drop-down. How to run a report and download a report. From the Reports page, click on the plus sign. Select the desired report from the drop-down list. For this example, we will select Application Status. Next, select the date range for the report. To run a report for today, click on Today in the drop-down selection. You may also choose a pre-selected date, such as yesterday, this week, this month, this quarter, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. You may also choose a specified date range. To run a report using a date range, select Date Range from the drop-down selection. Select Beginning and End Dates to create a custom range. Note, some reports may not require you to select a date, such as the Active Dealer report. If your report uses Scope Date to retrieve results, the default value will appear in the drop-down. Where applicable, you may change the scope date if you want the report details from another date perspective, such as application date, decision date, or fund date. Scope date options will vary based on the report selected. Check the Generate PDF checkbox if applicable. If you generate a report without checking this box, only the file formats Excel and CSV will be available for download, where applicable. If you generate a report with the box checked, The file formats Excel, CSV, PDF, fixed format PDF, and fixed format Excel will be available for download where applicable. Click Generate Report. The system will automatically redirect you to the My Reports History page, and you will receive a success message. Your report will be available in a few minutes. Note: after your report has been scheduled, you do not have to wait until the job is completed before moving on to other tasks within DL4 or creating additional reports. Once the report job has been completed, you will receive a queued status alert asking if you wish to view your reports. If you click Yes, the system will automatically redirect you to the My Reports History page. If you click No, you have 3 days to view your report results. To download and view report results, select the file type for each component under the Action column. You may now open, save, or print the report. To print this report, click on the printer icon and follow the prompts on your screen. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.